When you create a subroutine that contains a for next or do loop, you might encounter situations where your code returns unexpected values but does not have any obvious errors. Rather than create a series of message boxes or print values to the immediate window, you can create a watch that displays the value of a variable continuously. You can use the watch to monitor the variable's value and, by adding breakpoints in your procedure, perhaps find where the error occurs. So let's use the data that I have here in this worksheet as the base and press Alt F11 to switch over to my VBA code. What this code does is it goes back to sheet 1 and activates cell D7. That's the first cell in the range that I just showed you. And then it finds the total of the values in that range. Basically, it goes down starting from D7 until it finds an empty cell. And then at the end, it displays a message box saying that the total commissions paid is, and gives a dollar amount. The goal of using a watch is to see the value as it goes up. We are concerned with the end result, but we're also concerned with how we get there. And that's what a watch allows you to do. Monitor a value as Excel moves through the subroutine. To set a watch, you click the debug menu item and then click Add Watch. And now you can tell Excel which expression or which variable you want to watch. You could put a formula in here, but in this case, I'll just type in CUR total, which is the name of our variable here and also here. Click OK. And Excel establishes the watch here at the bottom. I'll get rid of the immediate window to give us more room to look at the current total. Now, if I were to run the subroutine, it would run too quickly and we wouldn't see the value as it goes up. So that means we need to put a breakpoint in here. So I will put a breakpoint at the bottom of the loop. Now, when I press F5, Excel runs to the break and stops. And now you see that the value is 5306. That's the first value. When I press F5 again, the next value is 12,000 and so. F5 again, 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 and again, until we hit the last value. And then when I press F5 again, we get the message box. To edit a watch, you right-click anywhere on the watch while it's all highlighted in blue, and click Edit Watch. When you do, you get the Edit Watch dialog box. If you want to make any changes, you can do so either in the expression or elsewhere in the box. I don't want to edit it, so I'll click Cancel. If you want to delete a watch, you can right-click it and delete it. Watching a variable's value helps you verify that your code produces the correct results and, more importantly, follows the correct path to generate those results. If you find yourself using a lot of message boxes or debug.print statements to display the values while you step through your code, you might consider creating a watch to monitor the values within the Visual Basic Editor.